Hi everybody, welcome back to another video with saklesmiles. In today's video I have another inspirational black art piece that I will be doing on camera, show you guys my process. All the items that I bought was $20 or less. So for this art project I did not go to Dollar Tree. You can if you want certain color rocks or things like that, but for this art project I did go to Michael's. So everything that I had purchased at Michael's was $25 total. So I got this mannequin head. The Dollar Tree around me does not have mannequin heads. So this was purchased at Michael's for $5. Yeah, $5 for this mannequin head. And then I got this little styrofoam plate to put the mannequin head on, along with the rocks and the flowers. And then I purchased Michael's right now, because it's springtime, has a lot of floral things. So this is the best time to do this art project, and it's right in time for Mother's Day. So I purchased this little floral bouquet that I'll be putting inside of the mannequin head. And this was about $5. So this will go right in the top like that, once everything's said and done. And then these rocks I purchased at Michael's only because I wanted the brown rocks, but at Dollar Tree they do sell the white rocks that you could purchase. You will need a couple of this. This bag is really big, but it's only because I'm making two, because I have two moms, my mommy and my mother-in-law. And then I purchased this from Michael's, but Dollar Tree does have paint as well, so you could get 3 bottles equal up to this big bottle. But I was already at Michael's, so I wasn't trying to go to Dollar Tree, so I just purchased this one as well for my project. This is black acrylic and it is jet black. And then I have purchased a little birdie. So for my mother I'm doing purple because that's her favorite color, and then for my mother-in-law I'm doing pink. So I purchased this was $1. So this will make a nice little accessory to the bottom of the pot. And then I purchased this little plant, which was also just $1. They do come with brown pots instead of white pots, but I wanted to keep it white just to keep it nice and bright. I didn't want too much darkness because the head is going to be painted black. Half of it's going to be painted black. And then I purchased these little stamps. They say, "From me to you with love," and a whole bunch of other cute little things. And on the back is like a stamp thing where you can dip into the paint. And this will be going on the white side of her face. And I will use probably different ones and just stamp all around for decoration. And then I did not purchase any earrings or necklace or lashes because I already have all that stuff here at my house, so I did not need to purchase any of that. So Michael's does sell plenty of jewelry. I think Dollar Tree sells jewelry too, that you could just purchase a nice cute cheap necklace to put around her neck. And then if you want, you could purchase earrings to stick in the side of her head. And then of course lashes to go right here on her eyes, just to make her look a little bit more feminine. And if you want, you can do lipstick and stuff, but I'm not going to because this whole side of her head is going to be painted black. So I'm trying to replicate the art design. And I will show the art design that I'm replicating somewhere in the corner. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button for more do-it-yourself projects, budgeting advice, making money, saving money, black-owned businesses, show lighting, all of that. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. My subscriber count is moving on up. It's moving on up. So add to those subscribers by hitting that subscribe button. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and this beautiful artwork piece. I'm pretty sure that my mom and my mother-in-law are gonna love it. Stay tuned for more videos with Saklesmiles.